Jamaica, watch
POV,
this.
Jamaican man
The reason
explains
why I
why he
settled down
settled down.
is because I'm supposed to have unlimited access to my significant other, right? So I purchased the Ultra Pro Max. Yeah. So now itching and glitching. So your husband draw for you, you say, Ray, you know, me know I hear no back, not tired, no. Boy, can't manage to go up on an account and a chopping board and then something there. You see what I say? Yeah. Can't bother for go up on the back porch over the sofa. Yeah. Once a man call, he say, sir, yes sir, reporting for duty. You ask which position and you assume it. Yeah. Good. Like militant. Always on time. You're not even 1 minute later. You're just according to the occasion. Yeah, so you see, you look how outfit them we have and you know wear them. You need to wear them. They look how play by Bunny and outfit and them somebody. They with me daddy. Yeah. And I like it like that. Yeah.